Hey guys, we received this LeadsaiL holder for AirTag. So for test and try, compatible with the Apple AirTag holder with the wire cable, 4-pack heavy duty lock case for AirTag. So you can use it for the luggage or the backpack or the keys. And this is a really nice thing. You can see there are 4 pairs. The keys are provided to open this up. So opening is easy with this Allen key. So they are the waterproof and the dust resistance with the IP67. So I'm just putting my AirTag in here. So I'm just putting the AirTag here and then close this down. So it's pretty easy and then lock with the supplied air and key. So easy to find your keys and then you can just put in the stuff and secure lock. You take it anywhere and track it anywhere with the dust resistance and the shockproof thing. So as you can see, this is a now secure AirTag. See, like even if you fall by accident, it will not work anything. And this wire thing you can easily adjust and keep things. So overall, a nice protective AirTag case, and that you can also use for a pet or the bag or anything else, and then will not uh, impact your AirTag. So overall, a nice AirTag case that can be useful. So total 4 pair and 2 keys.